Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a really cool alien. I'm super excited and I hope you are too. I also hope you're going to follow along with me. You need your drawing supplies. We're using pencils first and then markers. We also have marker paper that we're drawing on, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's get started. We're using our pencil first to draw the main shape of our alien, especially the head. We want to draw it really big. So I'm going to draw a big circle in the middle of my paper, but towards the top. Now the nice thing about drawing with our pencil is that we can get the shape just the way we want it before we use our marker. And don't worry about making it perfect. You can add a couple lines to get it just the way you want and then erase the other lines that you don't want to keep. Okay, now let's draw the body. Oh, we're going to draw a neck first. So I'm going to draw two little lines. Then we're going to draw the shoulders. I'm going to draw them coming out to the side. Then we're going to draw the body coming down and back up. So we got this U shape. And then for the shoulders, let's add a circle on each side. And then for the elbows, let's draw another circle and a diagonal. We could even add a diagonal line first and then draw the circle. Let's do that over here too. We'll draw a diagonal line down and then a circle for the elbow. And then we'll draw another line coming down for the forearm. And then we'll draw a bigger circle for the hand. Let's do that same thing over here. So we've got a line, then a bigger circle for the hand. Okay, now let's draw the legs. And before, let's draw hips. So we're going to draw two circles for the hips. And then we're going to draw lines coming down for the top of the leg or the thighs. Then we can draw the knees. And then let's draw the rest of the leg coming down. I'm going to change this one so it's coming out more this way. And then we can erase that extra line. There we go. And then down here at the bottom, we got our feet. I'm going to draw a bigger circle. This is a simple way to draw the figure first. We're actually drawing a stick figure, but we have circles for the joints. So now down here at the bottom, we have the foot. So we'll draw the bottom of the foot and then the top of the shoe or the boot. And we can do the same thing going this way. Top of or the bottom of the boot and the top of the boot. I know this looks really funny, but now we're going to switch to our marker and we're going to start adding those details and make it look really cool. Let's first start with the face. I'm going to draw two little dots for the nostrils, and then I'm going to draw my alien kind of angry, so a frowny face. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw two more guide points right above the nose, but outside. Those aren't the eyes. Those are just guide points. Although if our alien had small eyes like that, that would be pretty funny. We're going to draw and make these a lot bigger. So first, I'm going to draw a curve that comes out from that guide point and towards the end of the head, and then we're going to come back in and connect. So these guide points help us get the spacing so that it's even on both sides. And we're going to draw the top of the eye coming out too. And then we'll draw it coming back down and curving into that guide point. Oh, it's already starting to look really cool. Now let's add the antenna. I'm going to start close to the eye down here, and we'll draw it curving out. And we'll do the same. Line it up, and then curve out and make it look symmetrical on both sides. Let's make the antenna thicker. I'm going to start here, and we'll come down. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Draw it right next to it. And then let's curve and connect the two antenna lines together. Now let's draw the end of the antenna coming out, around, and back in. So we've got this thick little knob on the end of our antenna. Now we can draw the outside shape of our alien's head. At first, let's erase the guide lines going through the antenna, just so we don't get confused and draw through them with our marker. Let's start here, and we can trace over the pencil line and connect the antenna together. And then we'll continue on the outside, curving around down to the chin. And then we can do the same thing on the right side, curve around and into the chin. But he's looking so cool. Now let's draw his neck. And let's make it look 3D. So we're going to draw a curve for his suit. And then we can also connect it back in to the side of his neck. So it's coming out of his suit. Next, let's draw his shoulders coming down on each side. And let's add a lot of details to the suit. First, I'm going to draw a light right here on his chest, kind of like Iron Man. We could even add another circle going around that. Oh, and we could add another line going around the neck, connecting to that light. Now let's draw his chest, coming down on both sides. We're going to draw through the guidelines. And then we can connect those two lines underneath the light. Ooh, let's add more lights. I'm going to draw one coming down, over, and back up. Ooh, we could even split it. I'm adding a lot of details, but you can also change your drawing. You could add more or less extra things to his suit. Now let's draw it coming down on both sides for his stomach. And then we'll finish the suit coming in and up to the other side. Next, let's draw his legs. And we're going to connect the outside of each circle, or the joints. So we'll start here. I'm going to connect over the circle, and we'll come down to the knee. Then let's do the same thing on the inside, connect to the knee. And this might be cool to add a circle for his knees in the suit. Let's repeat that same step over here for his other leg. Curve around the circle, connect, and we'll do the same thing here. Let's add a circle for the knee. Oh, we could even add another circle around, making it bigger. Kind of like repeating the design for his chest. Now let's draw the bottom of his legs and also his boots. So we'll connect to the back of that circle, the big circle. Do the same thing on the other leg. Then let's draw the front of the leg and then into the boot. And then let's connect the bottom of the boot. We'll do the same thing on this side. Down, top of the boot, and the bottom. Next, let's add more details to his legs. I'm going to draw two lines at the top of his legs. And I keep saying him, but it could be a girl too. You can change your drawing any way you want. Let's add, I'm going to draw a circle or half circle on each leg. And then down here, let's draw a circle on the side of his boot, or an oval. And then we can draw a curve coming down his foot. And I'm going to draw two more curves below his knee for the top of his boot. Let's also make the bottom of his boot thicker. We'll draw two lines here and here, and then we'll connect those together. If I ever go too fast, don't worry. You can always pause the video for more time. You can also pause the video if you want to change your drawings and add more things. Next, let's draw our alien's arms. We can draw the shoulders first. I'm going to draw an oval just like we did for the knees. And then we'll connect that oval at the top. Then we can come down and connect to the elbows. Well, let's add a little line here to connect the bottom of the shoulder too. Then we'll draw our alien's biceps. And the inside line, I'm going to make longer, and then we'll connect with diagonal lines on both sides. And we'll make the gloves really big. So we'll connect out to the outside of the circle. And then let's draw the end of the gloves. And then we can draw the hands. I'm going to draw a letter U on both sides. And then we'll draw the thumb on the inside. And then we can draw the fingers. I'm going to draw another kind of U shape or sideways V for the fingers. And then we can draw a line connecting. And maybe our alien just has 3 fingers. Oh, and more details on the glove. I'm going to draw 2 ovals, or an oval and a circle. And then I'm going to draw a line here and also here. Oh, we could also draw 2 lines on the upper arm. And we finished our alien. You can add even more things, also even a background, but we still need to color it. This part I will fast forward, so remember at the end you can pause the video if you want to use my drawing as inspiration for yours. But also remember you can change your drawings any way you want. All right, let's speed things up. But first, before we color, we also got to remember to use our eraser and erase any of the guidelines you can still see. I'm all finished coloring my alien, and I hope you guys will take time to color your drawings also. You can even finish your drawing by adding a background. Another thing I think is cool is to add more things to your alien. Like I drew, maybe this is some kind of a gun, and then we also have a light and a claw that can pick up the crystals. You could add more things. Maybe you got a spaceship, or even planets, and even more crystals. Now I added a lot of extra coloring, like shading using my colored pencils, but you can keep this lesson even more simple by adding solid colors without the shading. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing your own alien, especially changing your drawings, coloring it, and adding a background. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Hey parents and teachers, did you know that we have a book series called Draw with Art for Kids Hub? Our animals book is already out and ready for you to order. It's filled with 30 awesome step-by-step drawing projects that your kids will love. We also have 2 more fun books that release later, but you can pre-order them now. Cute and Funny Foods will be available on August 13th, 2024, and our Christmas book, perfect for the holiday season, it releases on September 3rd, 2024. You can find all of these books through the link in the description below this video. Thanks for being part of our art family, and I hope you keep drawing and having fun.